Hello everyone, my name is Tora Vias and I'm glad to see you on my channel Lovely Makeup Hair School. Today I'm gonna show you how to make evening hairstyle with the hair all the way down. With rest of the hair, I make 3 strands braid. And now we are putting all the twisted hair on our base. That way updo will have more volume. And for more beauty, I'm gonna add handmade hairpins. In our Lovely Makeup Hair School, we have online classes where you can learn how to make handmade jewelry. Thanks so much for watching. This was Tora from Lovely Makeup Hair School. I hope you liked this video. Let me know by leaving a comment below and clicking the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much. Have a great day.